Hey everybody, it is Brian.
And I'm Michelle.
And we are cruising with the Colemans, and we are doing a campground review today at El Mar Campground on Stock Island.
It's just outside of Key West. If we were to bike to Mallory Square, it would be 5 miles.
But as you can see the clouds overhead, I don't think we're hopping on those bikes today.
I don't think we're hopping on the bikes today.
This is an amazing little campground. It only has 11 sites.
That's one of the reasons why we picked it, is because we saw how a lot of the other campgrounds were so crowded that you just felt like you didn't have any room to breathe. And they have water sites, which is the other thing we were looking for.
The sites are all made for the owner's 40-foot rig. So there's plenty of space on each individual pad, which is fantastic. All the pads are like double wide. So there's plenty of room, and they're long enough for a 40-foot RV.
So what you just saw was the entire campground.
That's the whole place.
That's what we like about this campground, is the size, but we also like the amenities.
Yeah, they do have some nice amenities. So all of the pads are double wide, and they'll all fit a 40-foot rig. And they're concrete pads, but then the surrounding area is gravel with a little bit of grass also.
But your pad is concrete, and your patio, where you have your picnic table, and that is also concrete, which is what we really like about it.
And you know those campsites where you've got room for your RV, but then it's like, where in the world am I going to park my truck or my tow vehicle or the vehicle I'm towing? Here, that is not a problem. Look at how much space we have around our site.
Now, of course, we're only 30 feet.
We're only 30 feet, but look at all that space in front of the pad.
But you can see that.
But then look at where our truck is and all that space we've got too. So if you had 2 vehicles, or if you were towing a boat and needed a place to set your boat, or at least your boat trailer,
or your toys,
or your other toys, you got plenty of room here. Now the other amenities, all of the sites have 30 and 50 amp hookup. They also all have, do we have cable?
We have cable.
We do have
We have
cable.
Wi-Fi, and I'm pretty
Wi-Fi
impressed.
is okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, I think you uploaded a video or two.
I did upload
here.
a video.
We're doing a live stream from here, so we're going to test it out.
We'll see
but
that.
we feel pretty confident with it. I just think it's quaint, it's small. If we were riding our bikes to Mallory Square, it's only 5 miles, and there's bike path the whole way.
Now, if I were coming to Key West to stay here, what in the world would I do while I was here?
What?
Like, why would I come here?
I think we have a video about that.
I think we do have a video coming up about Key West and all the things that you could do in Key West if you were at a loss.
But while you're here, not only do you have Key West, but you can put your kayaks or stand-up paddleboards here right at this campground, which is really nice. And you whatever water toys you have, you can access the water right here. There's no beach, so don't come in with expectations. But you got room for cocktails by your RV. You've got Wi-Fi to watch whatever game comes on. You've got room for your toys. What more could you ask for?
There are also actually boat slips here. So there's not a boat landing. So you could not put your boat in the water. You'd have to do that at one of the public marinas. But then you could bring your boat over here and dock it at this campground.
Yeah. We don't know much about that because we don't have one.
No.
Maybe someday we'll add that to our list of toys.
Or if you're down here right now and you've got a boat, come get us. Take us for a ride.
Even though we're already gone. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed this campground review. It's short because that's how this campground is. It's short, it's small.
I don't want to waste no time. No, I don't want to waste no time. I can't let you go. I can't waste no time. I don't want to waste no time.
Come to Key West, take an adventure, and camp here.
See you later.